This is a topic, these are questions under sorts that we need to solve. These are Jamb questions. Now the question says we should find the value of x. Find the value for x. Now we have root 2 over x plus root 2 equals to 1 over x minus root 2. Now since we have an equality sign, that means to prosecute this same, we need to cross multiply. So that means we have root 2 into bracket x minus root 2 equals 1 multiplying by this, we still retain x plus root 2. So if you open the bracket, this is a whole number, this is a surd. So if you are multiplying, this becomes x root 2 minus root 2 times root 2, that's root 4, and root 4 is 2, because x plus root 2. Now let's collect like times so that x will be, variable x will be one side. So x root 2, bringing this to the other side, become minus x equals to, if you take this to the other side, we have 2 plus 2. So if you factorize to get the value for x here, you have x into bracket root 2 minus 1 equals 2 plus root 2. So if you divide both sides by root 2 minus 1, so that means our x equals to 2 plus root 2 divided by root 2 minus 1. But we need to rationalize. We see our answer here is not in the form of what we have here. So that means to get the proper value for x, we need to rationalize. And don't forget, when we rationalize, we say 2 plus root 2 over root 2 minus 1. That means we need to multiply by the conjugate of this, which is root 2 plus 1 over root 2 plus 1. So if you factor this, this becomes 2 plus root 2 into bracket root 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 1 root 2 plus 1. So that means let's open the bracket. 2 multiplied by root 2, that will be 2 times 1, that's plus 2. 2 times root 2, that's root 4, and the answer is 2. Root 2 times 1, that's root 2 over. You look at this is difference of 2 squares. So you say root 2 all square minus 1 square. So if you factorize this further, this will be 4 plus 3 root 2. Root 2 plus 2 root 2, that's root 2 over. The square root here, we cancel the square. That means we have 2 minus 1. The answer becomes 4 plus 3 root 2. That means our x is 4 plus 3 root 2. That means option A, 4 plus 3 root 2 plus 4. Let's move to the next one. And the next one says this 1 plus root 2 over 1 minus root 2 expresses in this form. Just rationalization of the conjugate multiplied by the conjugate of this 1 plus root 2 over 1 plus root 2. So this we have 1 plus root 2 into bracket 1 plus root 2 over 1 minus root 2 into bracket 1 plus root 2. So if you multiply this 1 times 1, give us 1 plus 1 times root 2, that's root 2. Root 2 times 1, that's root 2. And root 2 times root 2, that's root 4, and that gives us 2. If I don't forget this difference of 2 squares, say 1 square minus root 2 all square. And if you factor it, this becomes 3. 2 plus 1 becomes 3 plus 2 root 2. Because root 2 plus root 2 equals 2 root 2. We assume that this is something as 1 root 2, 1 root 2, so 1 plus 1 over 1 minus 2. So we have 3 plus 2 root 2 over minus 1. So that can become minus 3 minus 2 root 2. So if you compare it to x plus y root 2, that means our x equals to minus 3 and y equals to minus 2. And the coordinates will now become minus 3 minus 2. And the option is A. Minus 3 minus 2. Let's check the next one. The next one is irrationalization. Let me move to this. This one says simplify. We have 2 root 7 minus 14 over root 7 plus 7 over root 21. Now this is for like LCM. So we try to find the LCM of this line. Just ignore the root for some time. You see that 21 and 7. The LCM is 21. So that means the LCM of this is 1. So 1 over 21, that's 1. So we now have the 2 root 7 times 21 minus Now in root 21, how many root 7 can we get? Don't forget, root 21 can be written as root 7 times root 3. So that means if we take away the root 7, we have root 3 left there. And that means we have root 3 left. That will be 14 times root 3 plus root 21. This will become 7. So don't forget that, yes, don't forget that 2 root 7 times root 7 can give root 7 times root 3 minus 14 root 3 plus 7. Everything whatever I root 20. That means 7 times root 7, that's root 49. Now root 49 is 7. 7 times 2, that's 14. So we have 14 root 3 minus 14 root 3 plus 7 over root 21. So 14 root 3 minus 14 root 3, that's 0. So we have 7 over 21. So we check it, we have 7 over root 21 there. But because the base is solid now, so based on rationalize it, we get 6 times root 21 over root 21. And it becomes 7 over 21 divided by 21. So 7 here 1, 7 3. That will be root 21 over 3. And the answer is 21 over 3. The last one, we have root 24 plus root 96 minus 600. Let's factorize this. I'll simplify it and see maybe we have root 6 again. Root 4, what factor have it? First square. So that would be square root of 4 times 6. 96 now. Which factor has a perfect square? For 96. For 96. Let's look for 16 times 6 minus. Check 600. That's 100 times 6. So this becomes 4 times root 6 plus 16 times root 6 minus 100 times root 6. So root 4 is 2. 2 times this becomes 2 root 6. 16 is 4. This becomes 4 root 6 minus root 100 is 10. 10 root 6. So 2 4, this becomes 6 root 6 minus 10 root 6. 6 minus 10, that will be minus 4. Now compare to y root 6. That's our y equals minus 4. That's one is